Organization of the court. The courts shall be composed of independent judges, elected regardless of the nationality from among persons of high moral character who possess the qualifications required in the respective countries for appointment to the highest judicial officers of recognized competence in international law. So this article first it suggests that the International Court of Justice, established by the Charter of the United Nations as the principal judicial organ of the United Nations, shall be constituted and shall function in accordance with the provisions of the present statute. In this Article 2, the court shall be composed of a body of independent judges elected regardless of their nationality from among persons of high moral character who possess the qualifications required in their respective countries for appointment to the highest judicial officers or jurisconsult of recognized competence in international law. So, a person who is for the purpose of membership in the court could be regarded as a national of more than one state shall be deemed to be a national of the one in which he is ordinarily exercises civil and political rights. The court shall consist of 15 members, no two of whom may be national of the same state. Then a person who is for the purposes of membership in a court could be regarded as a national of more than one state shall be deemed to be a national of the one in which he is ordinarily exercises civil and political rights. The member of court shall be elected as the General Assembly and by Security Council from a list of persons nominated by the national group in a permanent court of arbitrary in accordance with the following provisions. At least 3 months before the date of the election, the Secretary General of the United Nations shall address a written request to the member of the permanent parties to the present state accept the duties. Before making these nominations, each national group is recommended to consult its highest court of justice, its legal faculties and schools of law, and its national academies and national sections of international academies devoted to the study of law. The Secretary General shall submit this to General Assembly and to the Security Council. At every election, shall be bear in mind not only that the person to be elected should individually possess the qualification required, but also that in the body as a whole, the representation of the main form of civilization and of the principal legal systems of the world should be assured. Then those candidates who obtain an absolute majority of votes in the General Assembly and in the Security Council shall be considered as elected. In any vote of the Security Council in Article 12 shall be taken without any distinction between permanent and non-permanent members of the Security Council. In the event of more than one national of the same state obtaining an absolute majority of the votes both of the General Assembly and of the Security Council, the eldest of these only shall be considered as elected. In the event of the equality of votes among the judges, the eldest judge shall have a casting vote. Then a member of a court elected to replace a member whose term of office has not expired shall hold office for the remainder of his predecessor's term. No member of the court may exercise any political or administrative function or engage in any other occupation of a professional nature. Any doubt on this point shall be settled by the decision of the court. No member of the court may act as agent, counsel, or advocate in any case. Any doubt on this point shall be settled by the decision of the court. No member of the court can be dismissed unless, in the unanimous opinion of the other members, he has ceased to fulfill the required conditions. Formal notification thereof shall be made to the Secretary General by the Registrar. This notification makes the place vacant. The court shall elect its president and vice president for 3 years. They may be re-elected. The court shall appoint its registrar and may provide for the appointment of such other officers as may be necessary.